another video. This is Be Unbelievable. So in this video I'm going to explain how to take your head measurements for a custom wig. So it's first very important that your hair is exact the way as you are going to wear it under the wig. So my hair is at the moment braided down, and this is also how I wear it under my wig. So make sure your braids are, you know, neat and flat as possible. And this is really important because if, for example, you give me measurements that were taken when your hair was loose, or on top of a wig, on top of a braid, or on top of weave, then most likely the wig will come out too big. So please keep this in mind. Then second, it's very important to have the right tools. So I strongly advise using a measuring tape that looks like this. So please don't use the measuring tape that is used for construction. It really has to be the soft measuring tape. When it comes to sizes, we have 6 sizes, and the first size is the circumference. So place the measuring tape at the lowest point in the neck, and then place it on the forehead, and then bring it on top. Always make sure that the measuring tape is not too loose and also not too tight. The second size runs from the front to the back. So place it where your hairline is, and then bring it all the way to the back. Then the third size runs from ear to ear across the forehead. So place the tape over here, and then bring it across the forehead to the other side. Then the third size runs across the head. So place it a little bit behind the ears, and then bring it across to the other side. And then the fifth size goes from nape to nape. So we place it here. Always make sure that you have the biggest part of the head. So don't place it like too high, but also don't place it too low, because it's about the biggest part, you know, like the how you call it, the bump of your head. This is important. So, and the last size is the nape area. So you place it in the nape, and then you bring it to the other side. This side is quite difficult to do by yourself, so if you have somebody that can assist you, I really recommend doing that. So these are basically the 6 sizes that I need for a custom order. I will always remeasure the sizes myself as well on my wig heads. If something is off, I will send you a message and ask, you know, with verification. I can ask, for example, for a picture where I can read the size myself as well. So I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you have any more questions for me, please let me know. Until the next video. Thank you.